Hey guys, it's Tara McNamara with Crown Real Estate. Listen, I want to give you a sneak peek. This house coming up for sale, 10058 South Lewis Road. It's a Millington address, but not far from Clio either. Completely remodeled inside and out, and master bedroom downstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs, completely remodeled kitchen. Got a pole barn there, you can see it, and the pole barn has a workshop that's insulated as well. It is on 3.7 acres, and let me give you a quick tour inside.